1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 is all you need to count 1 to 100 in Igbo. It's simpler than English. 1, otu. 2, abụọ. 3, atọ. 4, anọ. 5, ise. 6, isii. 7, asaa. 8, asatọ. 9, itolu. 10, iri. How do you count 11, 10, and 1? Iri na otu. Na is the word for and in Igbo. Iri na otu, 11. Same thing for 12, 13, 15, iri na ise, 19, iri na itolu. And how do you count something like 20? 20, iri abụọ. So you just say 10, 2. Abụọ is the word for 2, right? So iri abụọ is 20. Iri atọ is 30. Iri anọ is what? 40. Yes. And how do you say 60? Iri is C. So how do you say 90? 9 is what? Itolu. And 10 is iri. So 10, 9, iri itolu. And you can also do iri itolu na otu, the way we say iri na otu, right? So that would be 91. And 99 would be iri itolu na itolu. It's pretty much that simple. You can literally count from 1 to 100 using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, all the way to iri. And adding iri na otu for 11, iri abụọ for 20. And you can, when you get to 100, the word for 100 is nari.